Hey everyone and welcome if it's your first time here. If not, welcome back. My name is Ashley and today I am sharing a diaper bag video. So let me just jump right into it. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I do review diaper bags, baby products, toddler products, and just things that I feel make my life easier, and I love sharing them with you guys. I also occasionally do vlogs, and those are my absolute favorites. I know that it's not what majority of my subscribers want to watch, so I try to limit those. I just do them more for myself, really. But anyway, today I am actually going to be reviewing and showing you how I pack my Happ Brand Paige. This is in the black and gold color. It's a beautiful, beautiful quilted lightweight tote bag. And my husband actually surprised me with this bag a few weeks ago. He actually didn't remember that I did previously own this bag, but I was gifted those bags. And when I am gifted a bag for a review on YouTube, I usually just give them away as a way of paying it forward. I either give it away through my channel, I give it away to someone in my neighborhood who is in need, or I give it away to a family member. My mom actually ended up with the pink bag that I did previously own, and my sister with the black Levy. But anyway, jumping right into the outside features, it is a beautiful, beautiful kind of braided material, or what's that called, like herringbone kind of looks like. It's really pretty. It has a nice logo on the bottom, and all of these little gold details say Happ, but it's very subtle. It's not like in your face huge name tag, you know. It's very subtle and classy and beautiful. But anyway, jumping into this front pocket, it has a nice little tassel. In here, I just keep my phone. This is the bigger iPhone. And I also have my car keys with a little tile just in case I lose them. Turning the bag around, it has a really nice big slip pocket with a hidden magnet closure so your things are secure. I actually tossed in my iPad and it fits with tons of room to spare. So if you needed to carry an iPad or a laptop, you could definitely use this back pocket. So I have an iPad. And then if you take anything away from this video is that you need indestructible books in your life. I have two of them here. These are super old. These were my bigger kids books, and now my littlest is using them, and obviously my soon-to-be fourth child will use them as well. They are really honestly indestructible. In this side, I actually just have an extra spare sunglasses. These are very inexpensive from Amazon, so I just have them in there in case. And then on this other side, this is where I am keeping my house key and a mailbox key, and I also have a final straw attached to it just in case I need it. And that's actually all for the outside. We haven't even started inside and we already went through 4 pockets, which is really awesome. And it does have some D-rings for you to attach the messenger strap that is included, and the straps are really nice and cushy, and they come with a little snap, and I think that this is so that it can sit better on your shoulder and prevent slipping. I usually just hold it anyway, so that's why it doesn't really slip from me, but just a nice little touch. So the best part of this bag is definitely how it opens. It has 2 zippers, so you can open it from any which way, and it opens kind of like a rectangle, and it's awesome because you can definitely see everything that's in that bag. I'm gonna start off with these 2 pockets. It has 2 slip pockets in the back that have elastic. And on this side, what I have is, this is the back of the bag, just in case you were wondering. I have an MZ Wallace pouch. This is the smaller of 3 that came with my Metro tote in the large size. And this is the color magnet, in case you were wondering. And this is our snack bag. My kids definitely went through my snacks while I was at the OB, because they have to wait in the car while I am at my appointment. But this bag definitely is awesome. It's tiny and mighty because it fits all of our snacks. Okay, so that was in this pocket, and again, that was our snack bag, and it fits so much in there. In the pocket right next to it, what I have is, well, actually I have a couple of things in here. I have some boogie wipes. This is an almost empty pack, and then I have a dimple for my kids. This is by Happ Brand Toys, and all of my kids love this. And then the last thing I have is an extra mask because we are in the middle of COVID right now. I actually ordered this from an Etsy shop that I cannot remember the name of, but I will try to find it and Have it linked below with all of these things. So those are these pockets. These are a little bit bigger. They go all the way down. And again, these are the ones that are at the back of the bag. So perfect for diapers and wipes. Turning the bag around, this is the front now. I have in this pocket a MZ Wallace pouch. This is actually from my Crosby backpack, which I absolutely love. And in here I have some things that I usually always have in my bag, but in case you are wondering what's in here, I have my favorite lip balm, and this is by Buxom. I have my favorite lip liner, which is also by Buxom, and a gloss. This is what I am wearing right now. I usually only wear these. It's just like a good neutral for me. And then I have a mirror so that I can apply it. I have some mints. And last but not least, I have the little sharpener for my lip liner because I love that lip liner. And then it has a pocket, an identical pocket right next to it. I have some boogie wipes. This is a travel size because I am running out of that bigger one. I have this one just in case. I have a pack of gum, and I also have these individual wet ones, just so I can clean my kids' hands. So the bag does have 2 side pockets that are perfect for bottles. I don't have any bottles in here right now because I am at home, and my daughter, my youngest, is almost 2. And she's the only one that I actually have to carry her bottle because my kids carry their own, and I usually just have mine in my hand. Obviously I don't have it right now, but it definitely fits in either of these pockets because they are identical. I don't have anything in this one, but in the other one I do have the messenger strap, and the only reason I don't have it attached is because we are in the middle of COVID and I don't need to carry my bag anywhere. I just have it in the car next to me, so it's easy for me to just grab things and toss them over as needed. But if I were going to carry the bag, I would most definitely have this on the bag. So those are all of the pockets. It has 6 total pockets on the inside and 4 on the outside, so 10. And then it has a big nice area right in the middle. I have a couple of pouches in there, starting with my Lily Jade medium packing case, my favorite for diapers and wipes. I have 2 diapers in a size 4. I have a pack of wipes in there, a reusable pack of wipes. I have a bum brush, diaper cream, and trash bags. And it's awesome because it fits everything, and if I needed to change my daughter, I just pull this out and have everything I could possibly need. And then this is not usually how I pack my things, but because of how our normal life is going lately, I have a large Jujube set piece in blackout. I actually have the long strap attached and kind of tucked in. And this is carrying my basic necessities for when I have to go to the OB, which is basically where I only go. So in here I have some hand sanitizer, which is essential right now. I have a disposable mask just in case I forget my mask. I have my OB card, which I need to carry with me in every appointment. I have my wallet. I think this is my favorite all-time wallet. This is by Dagny Dover. I have a discount code below. I cannot talk today, but this is an envelope style card holder. That took a few takes. And I absolutely love it. It has all of my cards in here, and it's just nice and slim. I also have some spare cash kind of tossed in. And lastly, I have my Ryla mask. It's so cute. It's a little lemon print, adorable. And last but not least, I have a first aid pouch. I am using and have been using for quite some time now. I think for like a good 6 months. A mesh pouch by Dagny Dover, and this came in, I think, my Landon no, I think this came in one of my little Hunter toiletry bags. It's awesome. It looks really small, but I have so much in here. I have anything I could need in case of a boo-boo, in case of a bug bite. Shout out to Hello Happy Mom for this one. This is called the Bug Bite Thing, and it's really cool. I have a flashlight. I have a Tide to Go pen, nail clippers, ointments, Benadryl in case of, an emergency. I also see that I have some, I have earbuds, a charger, a Oogie Bear, all sorts of things in here, some Motrin, anything I could possibly need in case of an emergency. I usually don't need to get into this at all, but it just feels really nice having everything in here. And that was everything inside this bag. It's super lightweight, which is awesome because you can pack all your things and you don't have the added weight of a bag. So yeah, that's everything I had in my beautiful, beautiful black page by Happ Brand. So basically that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it useful. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.